Dyson vacuum cleaners available on Dyson.com truly redefine what premium home cleaning feels like by combining powerful suction, intelligent design, and effortless usability into one highly dependable product line that consistently exceeds expectations. From the first use, the cleaning performance stands out, as Dyson's advanced motor technology delivers remarkably strong and steady suction that lifts embedded dust, fine particles, and everyday debris with ease from carpets, rugs, hard floors, and mixed surfaces, leaving spaces visibly cleaner after just one pass. The lightweight yet sturdy construction makes these vacuums incredibly easy to maneuver, allowing users to glide smoothly around furniture, navigate tight corners, and reach under low areas without strain or discomfort, which is especially appreciated during longer cleaning sessions. Cordless models enhance convenience even further, giving users the freedom to move from room to room without interruptions, tangled cords, or constant outlet changes, while still maintaining impressive battery efficiency for consistent performance. The thoughtfully engineered attachments add real versatility, transforming the vacuum into an all-in-one cleaning tool capable of handling stairs, upholstery, mattresses, pet hair, curtains, and even delicate surfaces with equal precision. Dyson's filtration system is another standout feature, capturing fine dust and allergens effectively and contributing to a noticeably fresher and healthier indoor environment, which is particularly valuable for households with pets, children, or allergy concerns. Emptying the dustbin is quick and hygienic, designed to minimize contact with debris, while the overall maintenance remains refreshingly simple and straightforward. Beyond performance, the modern and sleek aesthetic reflects Dyson's commitment to innovation and quality, making the vacuum feel like a thoughtfully designed appliance rather than just a cleaning tool. Every detail, from balance and grip to airflow and noise control, feels carefully considered to enhance the user experience. Over time, the reliability and consistent results reinforce the sense that Dyson vacuum cleaners are built to last, delivering dependable performance day after day without compromising effectiveness. Overall, Dyson vacuum cleaners offer a premium, well-rounded cleaning solution that blends powerful technology, user-focused design, and everyday practicality, making them a smart and satisfying investment for anyone seeking superior cleanliness and long-term value in their home.